Hello friends, it's Ratan here. In this video I am going to talk about exchange which is running from many years, which is giving you a free $90 for just registering your the company name is Bybit. So it's a very best platform where you can trade Bitcoin. So those who are interested in doing leverage trading, this is the best company from where they can do the leverage trading. So you will get the link of this company in the description of this video. Simply see the description of this video. Once you click the registration link, this will bring you to this site. So once you come into this site, what you need to do is simply click on email registration, because if you want to register with email, you need to click on email registration, or if you want to register with mobile, you need to click on mobile. So simply click on email registration, enter your email address, enter the password and click on register. So once you click on register, you will get a message, please enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So you need to log into your email and take the code from there and enter over here. So in your email you will see a email authentication message. You simply need to click on this and there you will find a code. So you need to copy the code and come back to the site and enter the code. Then you will come into your account where it will show Bybit Mutual Insurance is a risk management tool that provides payoff. So you should read the message and activate your insurance account for free. So here you need to click activate. Then you need to click on I have read the terms and condition. So you need to know that margin trading involves high risk. Please understand the relevant risk before margin trading. So once you have clicked, you need to click on after agreeing the terms and condition, start trading. So this is how it looks like. So here you can use this exchange to do leverage trading. So I will make more video in coming future that how you will start doing leverage trading, how you will set your profit loss and stop loss, everything I will start making video on the leverage trading. So leverage trading is one of the best things where you can make profit on crypto buy and sell on daily basis. And so the first thing you need to do after creating your account, you need to verify your account. So in your account security section, you can go and fill up all the details. So as you can see, I have just created this account. So I will update all those things, how to manage all this account and how to earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency from leverage trading from Bybit. So you will get the link of this company in the description of this video. Simply see the description and register your account, and here you can see you will get different wallet address also. So you can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP and USDT as a base coin to do leverage trading over here. So this is basically an insurance account also, where you can have insurance of your cryptocurrency also. So they have many different portfolio for doing the trading. So I will keep on updating in the new video. So by creating this account, you are eligible to get free $90 of Bitcoin. So you can go into the reward hub section. Once you go into the reward hub section, it will show you reward hub. So right now, once you had created your account, you have $0 in your account. So to claim that account, you need to click on claim now. Once you click on claim now, it will go over here. So you can see for new sign up, what you need to do, you need to register and join our social media channel via Twitter. So for doing that you will get $5 of social media bonus, and if you deposit $50 first deposit, then you will also get $50 coupon. So first deposit, if you deposit 0.05 BTC for 5, you will get $5, and if you deposit 0.5 BTC you will get $50. So up to $50 you will get on your first deposit, and you will also get $20 once you deposit 1 BTC in this account. And if you customize your strategy alert by Bit app, then you will get $5, and if you purchase BTC USD mutual insurance on Bybit, then you will get $5 of mutual insurance, and you will also get a $5 coupon for actively trading on 10 days over here. So you can read the rules and regulation over here. So this is good to claim some free Bitcoin also, and best for doing leverage trading. So join now and start doing leverage trading from today. And they have referral program also. So once you refer someone to this platform, you will get $10 per referral. So you can read the plan adjustment notice. In order to provide you with better service, Bybit upgrade its referral and affiliate program. So simply agree the terms and conditions, and you will get the referral link like this over here. So once you refer someone to this, for each active referral you will get $10 as a bonus, which you can withdraw instantly. So I will keep on updating the latest information about Bybit. So register your free account and claim your free social media $5, and refer people to. For each referral you will get $10, and for each active participant referral trading also you will get many bonuses. So you can see receive $10 trading bonus for every initial deposit at least 0.02 Bitcoin BTC. So this is quite a strong company running from 4 years. So you can trust this company and start doing leverage trading over here. And if you are getting any problem, you can also contact me on Facebook. Type hashtag Coach Ratan or Engineer Ratan Kumar Anku and message me over there. I will help you to start making passive earning online. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you keep getting more and more legit earning platform where you can generate more cryptocurrency for long term. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.